I'm going to go over a couple of things about editing articles on the home page here. First, the rotator articles. If you remember from the training we had, I think it was back in April, there's an old category called featured orders on the older site. And I had said that the pictures didn't translate well to the new. The new category is called front page rotator. I have actually, we've made some adjustments, so pictures from the old will come to the new, they just still may look a little bit blurry. So for instance, Dominican Sisters of Hawthorne is an older picture, excuse me, and the one for the Salesians is also an older picture, but they fit the space and they crop just the same. So you can use old pictures as you pull those articles over. It's just going to be a matter of going to the old category, featured orders, and then whether that's all of the articles or just a few. I guess I went to the back of the list, started at number 7, and then checked a couple of articles, clicked on batch at the top of the page, and then chose to move these to front page rotator, move and process. So that's going to move 3 more articles from the older site to the new category. These are not yet published. I went through the Carmelite Sisters, nope, not that one, sorry. The Dominican Sisters of Hawthorne and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. I went into those articles, made sure the address, the phone number were there, and that the Learn More button links to their profile within the new site. Okay, so that's one thing on the homepage. I'm going to pause and then I'm going to stop and I'm going to make another video so you don't have to thumb through the same video. Sorry, I'm going to keep going and just let you know starting points for the different areas on this video. Secondly is this red area. Right now there's placeholder content. So I did take your Mystical Rose Gala article and I did throw in a sample picture from another article just because I thought it would fit. And I recognize that right now it's not ideal that the text is black on red. I'll continue to work with that to make a change, but I might need Al's help when he gets back next week. If there are no articles published in this category, and this category is this alert featured new red background category. So if I were to unpublish that, this now, and refresh this page, that becomes just a red line. Actually, it doesn't even become a red line. That area just disappears. So I kind of forgot about it when I first came to the site today because it was just a small area. If I refreshed, it's taking a minute to come back. There it goes. So that area is back now. So I just don't want you to forget about that red area. Next, these 3 articles and the religious life are now their own articles to edit. Those will live in a category called, maybe it's still at the bottom of the list, homepage articles. Mission statement, share the mission, vocation, church, and formation. Okay, continuing on down the page, news. These are featured articles. So inside, there's no actual, I guess there is a category for it. But you notice that these aren't actually showing up in that category. If we go to featured articles on the far left, and we search for only published articles, so there's the 3 published articles in the news area on the left. And what they have in common is that they have that yellow star for featured. And they're each in a different category, actually. Yes, there's two in the same. Okay, and then the question now is Vocation Blog comes from a blog, and then what about these events on the right-hand side? Because, so you don't have to create duplicate articles. The goal here is that the articles that under events can come from any category, but since featured is already being used for news on the far left, we can't use that same functionality to put events in that spot. So as long as the article is created, there is a category called events and it says add via module. So what that means is on the control panel, I can create another spot up here that says add events to, or add articles to events. And I'll put that here. It's going to take us to the module manager. And I'm already, nope, not anymore. At one point I was searching filtered for just the home page, but here it is events. Home, GE, blue or lower right. And this is should be the only reason you have to get into modules. So that icon on the home panel, home page, the control panel is going to link to this page. And all that we're doing over here is we're actually including articles simply by clicking the plus button under the Joomla content filter rules. So it's not a category, it's actually we add an article and then since it's already created, we're going to go get that article. So maybe I want the formation article to show up here. If I save that and refresh here, then my formation article is showing up there. To be sure to save. I don't think I had to save that. Be sure to save or save and close and check your work. But review this video as much as you need for editing the home page. Thanks for watching.